Right, so today we're going to go through the learning check. This is based on both probability and Venn diagrams. So our first topic is just looking at finding the basic probabilities. So which number is the spinner most likely to land on? Well, that's the one with the most options there. So there we can see number 3 has 4 different ways of getting it, so therefore it's the most likely. 1, we can see there, has 2 out of 8 chances. So it's not quite an even because you'd need 4 out of 8, therefore it is unlikely. It's not impossible because there are 2 number 1s there, but it's unlikely. Landing on a spinner 3, well, we've just said 3 has 4 out of 8, therefore it must be a probability of 0.5 or 1/2 because that is equal to 4/8. Our second question, we need to list down our factors of 30. That's numbers which go into 30. So 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, 5 times 6. Part B then says a factor of 30 is chosen at random. What is the probability as a decimal that it's a 2-digit number? Well, we know there are 1, 2, 3 numbers which have 2 digits out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's asked for this as a decimal, so we do have to convert it this time, and that is equal to 0.375. Our third question wants us to write out the available options. So we're going to list our outcomes here. It's already done the first one for us. So we could choose a wrap with cheese but with ketchup, wrap with turkey and mayo, a wrap with turkey and ketchup, or we could go for a baguette with cheese and mayo, a baguette with cheese and ketchup, or finally a baguette with turkey and mayonnaise and a baguette with turkey and ketchup. What fraction of the possible types of sandwich have turkey and ketchup? Well, you can see there's one here, the wrap turkey and ketchup, and there's a second here, the baguette turkey ketchup. So that is 2 out of a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options, which we'll simplify as 1/4. If you gave this as a decimal, you would get 0.25. Our fourth question, this time we've got to subtract the number on spinner A from the number on spinner B. So 3 subtract 2 is 1, 3 subtract 4 is -1, 6 subtract 2 is 4, 6 subtract 4 is 2, 6 subtract 6 is 0, 9 subtract 2 is 7, 9 subtract 4 is 5, and 9 subtract 6 is 3. So we've completed part A. Part B, what is the probability of getting a negative score? Well, that's 2 out of 9 options, so 2 9ths. What's the probability of getting a score more than 3? So we can get a 4, a 7, a 5. So there's 3 options there, out of a total of 9, which is exactly the same as 1/3. Question 5, it's asked us to fill in and complete our Venn diagram. So we've just got to go through each of the bits of information and fill in the correct space. We know that there are 60 students in total, so therefore all of these numbers have to add up at the end to get 60. First line tells you that there's 7 who study all 3 sciences. There's a total of 12 who study biology and chemistry. So you know that this circle here has to add to 12. We've already got 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Our next line tells you that 15 students study biology and physics. So again, we're looking to have a total of 15 in this section here. Well, 7 plus 8 is 15, so therefore our missing number was 8. Then tells you that 20 students study chemistry and physics, so therefore that total must equal to 20, so there must be 13 who just study chemistry and physics. On next line, there's 35 students who study biology. So we know that this circle for biology has to equal 35. So if we add these three numbers, we get a total of 20. If we do 35, subtract that 20, we would get 15. 32 students study physics. So again, this must total up to 32. So if we add together 8 plus 7 plus 13, we would get 28. Therefore, 4 students must study physics by itself. And finally, we need to make sure that this all adds up to 60. So we now add all of the numbers that you can see. That equals to 52. So therefore, we must know that 8 study chemistry, because all the students have to study one of the 3 sciences. So therefore, to make it add to 60, there must be 8 who study just chemistry. Question 6. This time we've got to draw our own Venn diagram and then work out our missing probability. So we've got football and cricket. So I'm going to call football F and cricket C. 8 students who play both football and cricket. 4 who don't play either. In total, there is 14 students who play football. Well, you know 8 of them play both, so there must be 6 who play only football. And again, there's 8 who play both, and there's 20 in total who play cricket, so there must be 12 who play cricket only. Find the probability that a student chosen at random plays football, cricket, or both. So therefore, we need to add together our 3 numbers in the circles, which is equal to 26, and that is out of the total number there, which in this case is 30. You can then simplify that down to 13 over 15,